Have you ever felt like your sahod disappears just after payday? Naranasan ko yan. I used to think the problem was my income, but it turns out the real problem was my system. I'm LJ, an OFW teacher. For the longest time, kahit tumaas ang kita ko, wala pa ring ipon. But now, I've built a money habit that works for me. In this video, I'll share exactly how I divide my salary so I can still invest, save, help my family, and still enjoy life. Because real freedom starts with what you do with your next sweldo. Imagine your salary as a pitcher of water. Iniinom mo ba siya ng diretsyo? Siyempre, ibubuhos mo muna sa baso. Each cup represents a fund. Kailangan may pangalan. Kasi nga pag walang label, di ba? Mabilis mawala. So I name my digital savings according to their purpose. Out of sight, out of mind. Hindi ko siya madaling galawin kasi nakaseparate siya. Let's say I earn 50,000 a month. This isn't about how much you earn. This is about giving every peso a purpose. 15% goes straight to my future self. I invest in stocks, mutual funds, or bonds. Hindi para yumaman agad, but to slowly build wealth. Someday, I want to stop working because I want to, not because I have to. Another 15% para sa just-in-case moments. Ito ang fund na sana hindi ko kailangan gamitin, but I sleep better because it's there. What if magkasakit ako? O mawalan ng trabaho? O biglang may kailangan sa Pinas? I keep this in a high-interest bank like Cbank. Remember, if you don't prepare for emergencies, emergencies will prepare you. 10% for my retirement fund. Wala tayong pension as OFWs, so I invest my money in Pag-ibig MP2. The magic here is compounding interest. The longer you leave it, the bigger it grows. Plant now, harvest later. 30% for my needs. Ito yung mga bagay na non-negotiable. My rent should never be more than 15% of my salary. Since I'm single, this is manageable. But if you have a family, you can adjust it up to 50%, but never beyond that. Live within your means, but also live with peace of mind. 10% for my family and travel fund. Flight ticket, pasalubong, and food trip with the family. Lahat yan kailangan pag-ipunan in advance. Ito yung nilulook forward naming mga OFWs. Another 10% for giving back. It's always good to share your blessings. And finally, my guilt-free fund. Don't save what's left after spending, but spend what's left after saving. Kung sawa ka na sa sahod, gastos, utang, repeat, try this system. Always remember, every journey teaches, every story matters. This is LJ on Trenta Talks.